So we have airdrops to go and claim, and I want to make the point of the situation up until Wednesday 26th, which is today. So we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first is the monad price. It's looking good. It's looking like it's keeping up as we see here. We have gone from the launch about over here 2.6 is when it launched. It did really nice. It went up and down. So let me know if you were eligible for the airdrop. Did you claim? Did you hold? Or did you sell? Let me know in the comments below. But talking about another airdrop we can go and claim, it's our Tari airdrop as we see right here. Simply click on view your allocation, continue with your Twitter account, and simply go and check if your Twitter account is eligible or if you are in generally eligible for it. And of course, let me know in the comments below. This is a super easy procedure. Authorize the app, go and check whether or not you are eligible for it or not, and we are gonna go and see here. You will be redirected. I'm ineligible to claim, so let me know yours down below. Next up we have the iris airdrop claim, which it is right here. Simply go to the website and go through the whole procedure of simply connecting your wallet. You can go and connect, as we see here. I'm not eligible for this, by the way. We can connect the Phantom, the MetaMask, the Kepler. So make sure to go and check it and let me know down below if you are eligible to go and claim it or not. We do have quite a few airdrops to go and claim today, so it is nice that the crypto is kind of like restarting with this. Yes, it is in a bad moment, but at least we got an airdrop to claim. But also, if you want to go and trade, guys, I do have with the partner of the channel, Weex, right here, where you can get a $2,000 position. All you gotta do is a first deposit of $100 and open a spot trade. Super simple, open and close. And as we see here, you get 2000 USDT position airdrop. So you basically get a $40 50x leverage at your choice. You decide whether it's gonna go up or down. You pick long or short, but you get basically 2000 position dollar airdrop. So I will leave the link down below if you wish to support, and if you wish to trade with not your money, then I think Weex is the proper one to go and do it. Next up, we have the Talus airdrop, which the registration are now live. You need to connect your Sui wallet, link your Twitter account, and check your eligibility. I will not waste your time on it because I do not have your Sui wallet and I don't have any Sui wallet whatsoever. As we see here, we click on connect and you can either connect the slash or the backpack, and then you let me know your eligibility down below. Make sure in the comments, I want to see all of you eligible. Next up, something that you can definitely go and grab it. This is only a $2 mint and it ends in December 4th. It could lead to some nice juicy airdrop. It is the Solana Game Pass Season 1 right here. So as we see, not many people have minted, only 44,000 people. So make sure to go and mint yours. I've already minted 2. Max limit is the 2 per wallet. You can do as many wallets as you can, but in one wallet you can only mint 2, and I will leave the link down below, and I have done it already. This is the booster pack. Open your booster pack at the dripshop.live over here, which you simply go and select. You put it over here and you go and open at the dripshop.live, and you will get what you do have within your pack, as we see here, which it is this one. So simply log in and register with the wallet that you have gone and open it. I did do it over here with my Phantom wallet, so make sure to go and do it and then open it. And on Twitter or on Telegram, let me know, send me your screenshot and show me what you actually got from this package. I will go and open it right here with you in this very moment. Let me turn this music off. We do have something like this. Okay, a coupon, whatever it is, a wallet 25. Okay, redeem your instant pack. Okay, anyway, this is how it works. So you basically go and it's a packing, and as we see here, subtotal, total, I don't want to do it, I don't care about this. As we see, you can go and do all of this one, gem mint and all of that. So but if you want to go and simply go, you can go to the rewards over here and get a look at your packs, which as we see here, my interest, you got something like that. You got the leaderboard, the reward, the redemption, as we see here. So make sure to go and find it. I will try to go and find it. As we see here, you can also link the wallet for the drip one. Click on confirm, and then you should have it somewhere over here. It should be now. I'm not really 100% sure where it is or how to do it, but nonetheless, make sure to go and check it. I do have, as you see here, a bit of monad over on my wallet, and let's go and check it. But as you see here, you can go to the dripshop.live and you can go and get it now. Where the troll card full with over 60 different. Anyway, I will try to do it later. I will probably come back to it at the end of the video, so I do not want to waste your time. And it should be either on the rewards or on the giveaways. No, probably not. As we see here, you can enter a few giveaways. But no, I don't know what this is, to be honest. Edit profile, nothing. Payment, nothing. Address. All right, well, I'm gonna go and find it later on. Next up, we have the BOB airdrop is now live. You can go and claim this one. Simply paste your EVM wallet address over here and check if you're eligible. As you see here with both of my wallet, I am not eligible for it, but it is what it is. Now, this one, it was probably peanuts in terms of the airdrop allocation, so don't expect much in case you are eligible, but make sure to go and check it. We then have the Gabby airdrop, which checker is now live. Simply go to the website down below, connect your wallet, and as we see here, connect with a wallet. I'm not eligible, but if you're eligible, simply go and connect your wallet and you will get your rewards. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow. Ciao, guys.